me show you. Hello everyone, this is Olivia and welcome to my unboxing video of electrical wheelchair BC-EC8002, and I will introduce you the features and the functionality of this wheelchair. This is electrical wheelchair frame and the charger and the operating manual. Then it's beginning. This electrical wheelchair is made of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is the future trend of the electrical wheelchair. It's very light, only 18 kg. It can be lifted by one hand. It also has high strength and corrosion resistance. The maximum capacity is up to 115 kg. It can be quickly and unfolded in seconds. Let me show you. It's easy to understand, so it's the best choice for traveling around and for long distance travel. The wheel hub is made of magnesium alloy. It's more sturdy and lighter, can make the ride more comfortable. And then we show the control. It has 4 buttons. We can press these to turn on. And this is power capacity and to slow down or accelerate. This is home, and we can show the 360 degree of joystick. The pursuit of quality, we can show our customers a high sense of smooth use. And you can see the quick removable battery. It's easy to carry and trim. And then talk about the 2 upgraded brushless motors. It has long service life and low noise and low maintenance cost. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider liking and commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and demonstrations of mobility device. See you next time.